We study pandemics and how closely aligned they are with dramatic social transformation and upheaval. So, for example, the bubonic plague in the 14th century was tied and correlated with the fall of the feudal system. It dramatically altered the way that our world organized itself. And if you keep going forward into the 1600s, we know that infectious diseases were the canary in the gold mine for the indigenous communities. As the white colonial settlers came from Europe, infectious diseases wiped out, at some estimates, 90% of the indigenous communities in the Americas. And they were able to conquer the lands much easier than had they been able to fight with their full strength. And then if you think further into the Spanish influenza of 1918, that was around the time of the women's suffragist movement, where women were trying and protesting constantly in the streets during the pandemic with their masks and their signs for women's rights. And today in this society, right now, we're noticing the same thing. A temperature is the first sign of a virus in your body. We are at the limits of this system that we created that has not brought about peace, justice, health, or equity. And social upheaval, dealing with these structural determinants of health and injustice like racism, can be seen like the fever of the social body, trying to emerge into a healing phase so that we can all work together to create a better world.